Most people over 50 believe they already have the health essentials they need. But what if the next 30 days prove the opposite? You've seen shelves empty fast, pharmacies close early, and simple shortages turn into stressful days. However, what's coming next month won't be just another inconvenience. It may hit older adults first, hardest, and without warning. Here's the twist. The products that truly protect your health are not the ones most people rush to buy. If you want real security, don't rely on an old first aid kit or whatever happens to be in the cabinet. Build a quiet health reserve now, before next month exposes gaps nobody talks about. Something is shifting inside the healthcare system, and if you knew what's already starting, you'd understand why these 15 items are becoming must-haves. So here are the 15 most essential health products to stockpile before next month. Number 15. Pain relievers and fever reducers. Pain relievers and fever reducers are often overlooked until the moment they're urgently needed. Many people over 50 assume they still have a reliable bottle at home, but expired or nearly empty medication is surprisingly common. With illness waves becoming less predictable and pharmacies restocking more slowly, these essentials disappear from shelves far quicker than expected. A fresh supply offers real reassurance. When a headache grows, a fever rises, or inflammation makes movement difficult, realizing you're unprepared only adds to the strain. And during longer illnesses, one bottle rarely lasts as long as people imagine, turning recovery into something more stressful than necessary. Preparing doesn't take much. Keeping the main types of pain relief on hand, storing them correctly, and checking dates ahead of time ensures you can respond quickly and confidently. A small, dependable reserve brings a sense of stability when your body needs support the most. Number 14. Cold and flu medicines. When seasonal viruses spread quickly, the first warning often shows up in empty shelves. Many people over 50 assume relief will always be available. Yet cold and flu waves can clear aisles long before most households realize what's happening. With slower restocks, relying on last-minute pharmacy trips has become far less dependable. The real difficulty begins when symptoms arrive suddenly. A stubborn cough, a blocked nose, or heavy fatigue can turn simple routines into draining tasks. Finding an empty medicine cabinet in that moment only adds pressure, making recovery feel slower and more uncomfortable. Illness rarely gives you time to prepare, and being caught off guard makes even mild symptoms harder to manage. A small, reliable set of cold and flu treatments brings calm when discomfort starts. Something that helps you rest, something that clears your head, and something gentle for sensitive moments can make early symptoms far more manageable. With these essentials ready, you can focus on healing instead of searching for products that may already be gone. Number 13. Electrolyte powders and rehydration packs. Dehydration is one of the most overlooked health risks, especially for people over 50, and it often appears faster than expected during illness, heat, or even mild flu symptoms. Many assume water alone is enough, yet when the body loses essential minerals, hydration becomes far less effective. That's when electrolytes become essential. Fatigue, nausea, fever, or reduced appetite can all drain the body more quickly than most people realize. Having electrolytes ready allows you to restore balance before weakness intensifies. These products also tend to sell out during illness spikes, making replacement difficult when demand suddenly rises. A small supply at home brings steady reassurance. One packet mixed into water can restore energy, help recovery feel smoother, and support your body during stressful periods. It's a simple way to strengthen your health preparations for the month ahead. Number 12. Multivitamins for immune support. The body's natural defenses become more sensitive with age, and even small nutritional gaps can make you feel run down faster than expected. Multivitamins often go unnoticed in daily routines, yet they play an important role when stress, colder weather, or illness strains the immune system. Many only take them once symptoms appear, but by then, the body is already behind. Supporting your system ahead of time provides a steady advantage. A consistent multivitamin helps fill gaps that diet alone can't always cover, especially when appetite shifts or fresh foods become harder to access. And when supply chains tighten, these supplements sell out quickly. Keeping a dependable supply at home strengthens your foundation and helps your body stay resilient through changing conditions. It's a quiet but meaningful step toward protecting your health in the coming month. Number 11. First aid essentials. Small injuries may seem insignificant, but for many people over 50, even a minor cut, scrape, or sprain can become more complicated if not treated quickly. A first aid kit often becomes the difference between calm management and unnecessary worry, yet many kits are outdated or incomplete. When discomfort strikes, searching for missing supplies only increases stress. Reliable first aid items help you address irritation, prevent infection, and manage swelling before symptoms worsen. And during periods of high demand, these products tend to sell out quickly, making replacements harder to find. A complete, organized kit gives steady reassurance. It allows you to handle small issues immediately and confidently, keeping minor problems from becoming larger ones as the month unfolds. Number 10. Prescription backup supplies. For many over 50, prescription medications are essential for daily stability, yet they're also vulnerable to delays, shortages, and unexpected pharmacy closures. Most people assume they can refill on schedule, but even a short disruption can leave someone without the medication their body relies on. A small backup supply provides meaningful security. Having extra doses means you aren't scrambling or calling multiple pharmacies when supply issues arise. It softens the impact of late shipments or sudden demand spikes that empty shelves before refills become available. Keeping prescriptions organized and refilled slightly early protects your health when uncertainty appears. It's one of the simplest steps to maintain consistency and peace of mind in the coming month. Number 9. Allergy relief and antihistamines. Allergies rarely follow a predictable pattern, and for people over 50, reactions can appear more suddenly and more intensely. Changing weather, indoor air quality, or shifting seasons can trigger symptoms that interrupt daily routines. Yet, antihistamines are often forgotten until symptoms become overwhelming. Dependable allergy relief at home brings immediate comfort when sneezing, itching, or congestion begins. It prevents mild reactions from escalating and helps maintain normal activity levels. And during seasonal spikes, these medications tend to sell out rapidly. A small supply ensures you stay ahead of unexpected flare-ups. It keeps symptoms manageable and allows your routine to stay intact, even when environmental changes catch you off guard. Number 8. Stomach and digestive health products. Digestive issues often appear without warning, especially for people over 50, when the stomach becomes more sensitive to stress, illness, or small dietary changes. Heartburn, nausea, and bloating can interrupt an entire day, and relying on whatever happens to be in the cabinet often leads to disappointment. Dependable digestive support brings immediate relief when discomfort begins. A gentle remedy can make the difference between resting comfortably and struggling through avoidable symptoms. This becomes even more important when illness affects appetite or places extra strain on the digestive system. A modest, steady supply helps manage symptoms early and keeps minor issues from escalating. It offers a sense of stability and helps your routine remain intact when your system feels unsettled. Number 7. Cough syrups and throat soothers. A persistent cough or irritated throat can linger far longer than expected, especially for people over 50. These symptoms often appear suddenly, and by the time they do, many households realize they have nothing suitable on hand. Cough syrups and throat soothers frequently sell out during busy illness periods. Reliable options at home bring quick comfort when coughing interrupts rest, or dryness makes swallowing uncomfortable. A soothing remedy can calm irritation and prevent small symptoms from draining your energy over several days. A modest supply ensures you're prepared for those moments when the air feels harsher, or illness makes the throat more sensitive. It adds ease and stability to your home, while your body regains strength. Number 6. Antibacterial wipes and hand sanitizers. Daily hygiene becomes even more important with age, especially when you're out in public or handling shared surfaces. Antibacterial wipes and hand sanitizers offer simple protection, yet they often run out quickly during seasonal illness waves. Many people assume they have enough until a bottle runs dry at the wrong moment. Having these essentials within reach provides steady reassurance. A quick wipe or a small amount of sanitizer reduces exposure to germs after errands or appointments and helps maintain daily health with minimal effort. A modest, well-placed supply keeps your home clean, safe, and prepared, even when outside conditions feel unpredictable. It's a quiet but effective layer of protection. Number 5. Medical gloves and masks. Protective gear may seem simple, but it becomes invaluable the moment you need to handle something safely. For people over 50, even mild illnesses require caution, and gloves and masks offer a barrier that reduces the risk of exposure. These items often disappear quickly during seasonal spikes. A small supply of gloves helps with cleaning tasks or caring for minor injuries, while masks offer reassurance in crowded spaces or when you're feeling unwell. Together, they create a sense of safety and control. Keeping these items on hand ensures you aren't caught off guard. They help maintain a healthier home environment with very little effort. Number 4. Heating pads and muscle support. Items. Muscle stiffness and joint discomfort tend to appear more often with age and can be triggered by stress, colder weather, or restless sleep. When these aches settle in, relief becomes a priority. Yet many households realize too late they have nothing suitable available. A reliable heating pad can ease tension and improve circulation, while simple support items help manage everyday discomfort without relying heavily on medication. These tools restore mobility and make rest more effective. Having them ready allows you to respond quickly when discomfort strikes. It's a quiet source of comfort that keeps your routine steady and manageable. Number 3. Epsom salt and recovery supplies. Recovery becomes more important with age, and even mild strain can linger longer than expected. Epsom salt and simple recovery items offer gentle, effective relief, yet they're often overlooked until discomfort appears. A warm Epsom salt bath can ease soreness and help the body unwind, while light recovery tools support natural healing. These small steps maintain flexibility and comfort. Keeping them on hand provides a restorative option whenever your body needs extra care. It's an easy way to stay comfortable and maintain momentum throughout the month. Number 2. Blood pressure and monitoring devices. Staying aware of vital signs is essential for anyone over 50, especially when stress or illness can influence blood pressure. Many rely solely on doctor visits, but unexpected symptoms can appear long before the next appointment. A home monitor offers clarity during moments of dizziness, fatigue, or pressure. It helps you understand what your body is doing and whether rest, hydration, or medical advice is needed. Keeping a dependable device nearby replaces uncertainty with confidence. It supports consistent, proactive health management as the month unfolds. Number 1. Long-term medical essentials and comfort items. Long-term health supplies often get overlooked, yet they become crucial when routines are disrupted. Items like extra inhaler parts, glucose testing materials, or wound care products can be hard to replace quickly when shortages appear. Comfort items such as soothing balms or humidifiers also matter, offering stability during stress or illness. These essentials ensure you can maintain your routines without interruption. A small, organized reserve of long-term supplies brings deep reassurance. It keeps your home steady, your health supported, and your confidence strong no matter how unpredictable the next month becomes. Staying prepared isn't about fear. It's about creating calm, stability, and confidence in your home. With these essentials in place, you're ready for whatever next month brings, and your health remains firmly in your own hands.